Start your preparation from now and try to be thorough with the concepts. You do not need to purchase any CVT books as of now. Just be thorough with the class 12 concepts, and obviously NCERT is going to be your Bible. I personally bought this mock bundle from cvetmock.com, so that's the name. And I really like the content there. So they had chapter wise mocks, so every time I would finish reading a chapter from NCERT, I would attempt all the 5 chapter wise mocks that were there in the website. And after that they had like 20 full subject mocks of each subject that you opt for. And I think that really helped me for economics. Truly, the NTA economics paper this time was really different from what they had been asking in 2022 and 23. So I think that the mocks which were offered by CVT mock, they were really based on NCERT. They actually had the level of questions which were being asked in the actual exam. And they also have this PYQ section, so I did not have to buy any PYQ book separately, so that was a really big benefit. Apart from that, I did not really buy any other course for CVT prep.
My CVT preparation, I took the mock test series from cvetmock.com. Amongst all of these sites that are available on the internet, I can tell you that this is the one that has the highest level of NCERT orientation. They will force you to read every nook and corner of NCERT, and I think that this year's exam is a testament that those are the questions that are actually asked by NTA as well. Second, I think that they have a very wide set of previous year questions. As we know that NTA does not release anything and it all comes through like students' response sheets, and they have a very good database of previous year questions. And they also release chapter-wise previous year questions, which are very helpful for you to revise as you're solving each chapter. And finally, they have a very dedicated team whom you can ask doubts to if you have any question where you're confused about any part of the NCERT which you feel, should I study this, should I not study this, then you can always reach out to them on WhatsApp and they will always be there to support you. I would say that CVT mock thinks a lot like NTA, and that will help you a lot. Based on whatever platforms I had a chance to encounter, I personally preferred CVT mock the most.
Firstly, I would like to mention that this video is brought to you by CVT mock. It was very helpful to practice the chapter-wise MCQs even without finishing the whole portion. And the analysis is very helpful, it's quite good. And moreover, the constant support was just excellent. This is an exam that can be cracked without coaching as well. The only criteria is that you need to be very consistent with your preparation. In my personal experience, I also did join a coaching initially in the first week of my preparation, but I realized that this was taking a lot more time than I could have done it faster myself. So I took the hard decision of preparing for this exam myself.